See that it's oily here and dry here. We had an oil spill. Does it show up on camera or no?
I believe so, but please tell me what's going on.
Okay. Well, we're trying to get this so that there's not a slippery spot. If you step, you're slipping in oil.
Okay.
So you brake clean, it breaks up oil so quickly. Just like it did with that filter. You spray some on, and it don't take a lot.
Wow, I can see it coming off quite a bit on that rag. Oh, it makes it so shiny too.
And it'll evaporate. The rest will evaporate off, but yeah, it sure saves a lot of time if you only have a small oil spill and you just want your floor to be.
I will put the link down in the description so anybody can pick up some of their own brake clean. All right.
My stuff dries faster. So you can almost watch mine drying, eh?
It's very nice. Oh yeah, it's not as shiny. So
Nope.
great. Oh, that's a really great tip.
Super quick.
Okay, and that stuff is called what?
This is Johnson's brand, Brake Clean.
All right, I'll put the links in the description. Great.
So sometimes you need a brake clean to last longer so you can work with it. And other times you want it to evaporate extremely quickly so you can move on to the next whatever.
All right, great. That's a wonderful tip. All right, thank you.